Hi whales, good morning. It's March 25th, Tuesday. Let's go over and review NVIDIA for today's trading session. And yeah, let's dive in. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though, guys, come join Discord. You can copy and memory here. I give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need to succeed. And yeah, if you need help in figuring out what trades to get into before anyone else does, come join. I'll see you here. All right, so with that said, with NVIDIA whales, I have us currently in a bullish path, right? We have the invalidation level here, meaning that as long as price can stay above the invalidation level, this is the main count that I see. So looking for potential wave 4 up to a wave 5, finishing off a macro wave 1 cycle, 2 coming down, and the 3 towards more all-time highs, right? So NVIDIA, great company. And we're just getting ready to see whether or not we can keep pushing higher from these lows and get separation. If I take a look at the 4-hour time frame, again, we're looking for more upside here, right? A 1-2, 1-2 nest. But this could easily be a double correction as well, right? We're still putting in this 2-wave potentially, like this, okay, before it can keep going up. So that's always a possibility, okay? But you know, right now, I don't see 5 waves in. I just see 3 waves. So we're calling this a nest for now. Let's see if over the course of today and tomorrow, we can get 5 waves in. On the 30-minute time frame, again, right, we have a 1-2, nesting 1-2, and trying to push upwards, right? But again, we could still be putting in a wave 2 and have this all of a double correction, okay, before we push up like this, okay? So we don't know yet. We don't know yet, so we're still waiting to see whether or not the markets can sort of reveal itself moving forward. Now, on the weekly time frame, though, in the 2-day time frame, we cannot rule out, guys, that we could be putting in a double correction on the major time frames, right? So what I mean by that is a W, X coming up, and then a Y coming down. All right, this is also definitely a possibility because you could see that the pivots are down here at 75 to 90, right? So this is the level that typically corrections like to end. Corrections like to end at prior wave 4s, right, on the primary cycle. So if you take a look on the left, we have a wave 4 here and a wave 4 here. We did not reach it. So there is definitely a possibility NVIDIA does come down to 74 to 90 bucks in the future, okay? And if that's the case, then of course, this would be a inverse head and shoulders, right? We have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Sorry, a head and shoulders pattern, right? Left, head, and right shoulder. So this is very typical in sort of distribution and on top formations. So we cannot rule this out, guys. We cannot rule this out. This is why when NVIDIA does, if you're long on NVIDIA, guys, if you're long on NVIDIA, what you need to sort of do is that you take the swing highs down to the swing lows like this, right? And you're trying to get at least to the 50 back at 128. So if you're long on NVIDIA down here, you want to raise your stop loss or at least book partial profits at 128 to 134. Okay, this is the area you're looking at to book profits or at least raise your stop loss to break even, right? This invalidation level could be your stop loss. So you want to raise your stop loss wherever it is, just in case NVIDIA does put in a double correction. Okay. This is what I always tell my Discord members. This is what I always tell sort of traders, that you want to get what you call a risk-free trade at the 50 back. Okay, so guys, again, if you need help in figuring out what trades to get into, how to sort of set your stop losses, when to raise your stop losses, where to put your stop losses, everything that you need in order to be successful trading, I'm telling you, you're going to make a lot of money with me here in Discord. Okay, we're absolutely killing it. And yeah, if you need help, I got you guys. Talk to you guys soon.